Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are talking about something almost no one pays attention to. You know those bright red pomegranate seeds everyone talks about? Forget the seeds. That's not what this video is about. Because the real secret isn't inside the fruit. It's the part you throw away every single time. Most people enjoy the juicy seeds, believing they've taken all the nutrition the fruit has to offer. But the truth is far more surprising. The part you consider waste, the hard outer peel, holds some of the most powerful healing compounds found in nature. And today, we read diving deep into why this overlooked part of the fruit could transform your health in ways you never expected. Let's start with something shocking. Pomegranate peel contains nearly 3 times more antioxidants than the seeds. These antioxidants, especially polycollagens, are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation, lower oxidative stress, and protect your cells from damage. This makes the peel a serious weapon against chronic diseases. Benefit number 1, a stronger immune system. The peel is packed with compounds that help your body fight off bacteria, viruses, and seasonal illnesses. If you find yourself getting sick often, adding pomegranate peel to your routine can give your immune system the extra strength it needs. Benefit number 2, better heart and artery health. This is where things get really interesting. The antioxidants in the peel help reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, and improve blood flow. This means less risk of clogged arteries, lower blood pressure, and better overall heart function. People spend hundreds of dollars on supplements for this exact purpose, while the real solution might already be sitting in your kitchen trash. Benefit number 3, a cleaner, healthier digestive system. Pomegranate peel acts as a natural detoxifier. It helps flush toxins, reduces inflammation in the digestive tract, and can even soothe diarrhea thanks to its antibacterial and astringent properties. If you struggle with bloating, indigestion, or irregular bowel movements, this simple natural remedy can help reset your system. Benefit number 4, clearer skin and fewer breakouts. Using powdered peel as a topical mask or mixing it with natural ingredients can help reduce acne, fade dark spots, and calm irritated skin. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects make it a powerful tool for maintaining clear and healthy skin without harsh chemicals. Benefit number 5, stronger bones as you age. Pomegranate peel contains essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, both crucial for maintaining bone density. Regular use may help slow down age-related bone loss and lower your risk of osteoporosis. Benefit number 6, natural support for weight loss. The peel may help reduce fat absorption and improve metabolism. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, it can support gradual, sustainable weight loss. So how do you actually use it? It's simple. Wash the peel thoroughly, let it dry completely, then grind it into a fine powder. Take half a teaspoon mixed with yogurt, smoothies, or warm water. You don't need much. Consistency is what makes the difference. Next time you open a pomegranate, remember this. The most powerful part of the fruit is the part you've been throwing away your entire life. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned. We share science-backed wellness tips every single week. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.